All right, guys, today is still the 2nd of October 2023. The market gave me a buy opportunity, but I was kind of late because I was trying to record. I'm just waiting. Okay, let me take a buy now. All right, let me set take profits. Yeah, there you go, yes sir. All right, guys, so if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, where I teach you live how to take scalp trades like this on lower time frame. And yeah, I'll share my screen on Zoom. We'll take live trades, swing trades, scalp trades, hedging, okay, because that's what hedge funds use to get out of their trade. And we're not talking about martingale system. Martingale system will blow your account. We're talking proper hedging. We remember we started this account with $250 about 5 to 6 months ago. Look at all the profits we've made. We've actually made a withdrawal of over $10,000, $10,350 actually. And yeah, we're still growing the account just a little bit more. I'm trying to get to $70,000 profit. And yeah, then we'll make another $10,000 or $15,000 withdrawal. I always put my login so that you can check every trade and verify in my Telegram group, which you can join if you wanna sign up and actually test the software. Okay, you wanna copy my trades, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account to $500 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Also, if you want to test the software for 1 week, sign up with Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account. Also, send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Then I'll tell you what to do next. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Actually, it looks like we're going to hit take profits very, very soon. Let's see. There you go. Just like that, in a flash. There you go. All right, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Hope you guys join the free Telegram group. I usually give free signals and analysis. And if you want a specific pair, you have to be part of the members area on YouTube. And I post that in my Telegram group also. So it's the best way to stay for updates. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market, which I'm sure is the one that will allow us to take $10,000 withdrawal.